friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about top 10 most popular online games in 2020. Let's get started. The gamers decide whether it is a good game or just a time pass. With most played games comes the top. Here are the most popular online games of 2020. Let's go with top 10. In 10th position, the game is Splatoon 2. So let's know about this game. It is developed by Nintendo. It is portable with Wii U. Over 5 million players daily play this online game. It is launched in 2018. Splatoon 2 is a third-person shooter in which players control anthropomorphic squid known as Inklings and later Octolings, anthropomorphic octopuses. They used color ink to attack opponents and clear their goals. Now here comes the ninth game, The Division 2. It is developed by Massive Enterprises. It is portable with Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, Xbox One. Here 63,817 consoles are sold and it is launched in 2019. It is played from a third-person perspective. The game takes place in Washington, D.C., 7 months after its predecessor, in which a civil war between survivors and villainous bands of marauders break out. In the game, play can cooperate with each other to complete the objectives. The game will also feature raids, which can be completed by up to 8 players. It received generally favorable reviews from critics, with most noting it as an improvement over first installment. Now number 8 game is Dota 2. It is developed by Valve Corporation. It is portable with Microsoft Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Players. Here, daily 5 million players will play this game and it is launched in 2015. This game has been spending millions of dollars by Valve Corporation for its multiplayer mode game. It is rewarded with the title of producing quality, rewarding gameplay and faithfulness to its predecessors. Dota 2 has some export scene with world players playing across the globe in various tournaments and leagues. Please subscribe to my channel. Next game is Minecraft. It is developed by Mojang. It is portable with MS Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Daily 91 million players will play online and it is launched in the year 2011. The game has been popular with every coming game. This game has several modes and with that users have to survive and build its campus to have total authority to take upon animal building, people and food. It is a 3D sandbox game with no many restrictions and allowing users to do whatever they want to. Its several modes have survival mode, adventure mode, creative mode and spectator mode. And here we goes with the sixth game, Hearthstone. It is developed by Blizzard Entertainment. It is portable with Xbox, iOS, PC and Android. Online. Daily 29 million people will play this game online and it is launched in the year 2012. This game is contrast to other games on the list. Hearthstone was a small project of Blizzard Entertainment for experiment purpose, but it got the hits and now being played on the recent occasion. The game is of collecting cards deck from different houses and different powers. Each of the cards is used to lower the opponent's health and life to win the game. Here comes the fifth one, CSGO, that is Counter-Strike Global Offensive. It is developed by Value Corporation. It is portable with Xbox 360, OS X, Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 3 and Linux. Online players. Daily 32 million players will play this game online and it is launched in the year 2014. Game is of terrorist and counter-terrorist attacks, where players have to defuse and plant the bombs, accomplish missions, securing wealth, kill the terrorist and guarding the hostages shown on the map. It is a multiple shooter game. killing enemies and accomplishing goals rewards with more cash and prizes. And the next game is LOL, that is League of Legends. It is developed by Riot Games. It is portable with Xbox, iOS, PC, and Android mobiles. Daily 27 million people will play this game online. It is launched in the year 2009. It has been a long time for the gamers to play this game, but it has evergreen game. It has stunning mode and awesome graphics with much excitement on each level and every single game. It is a multiplayer action game with RPG. Here we come with top 3 online games. And the third game is Apex Legends. It is developed by Respawn Entertainment. It is portable with Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4 and Xbox. Daily 50 million players will play online in every month, and it is launched in the year 2019. This game has been in the news since its release. Persons who are not players in PUBG and Fortnite but liked these Battlefield games, then this is the one game for them. The game has 6 play teams with 3 players in a squad left on the island to salvage others' resources and weapons to fight against other squads at the time. The squad left with more team players are to be won. This game now also earned its place amongst the best superhero themed video game in 2020. Here comes the top 2 online game, that is Fortnite Battle Royale. It is developed by Epic Games. It is portable with Xbox, iOS, PC and Android mobiles. Daily 39 million online players will play this game, and it is launched in 2017. This game has been into the players list since 2017 but has taken the rise in 2018. It's still leading in numbers and dramatic effects, but the popularity is not that much into account as they have been just into boys zone, while PUBG has both the genders. Now here go with top online game, that is PUBG, and full form is Players Unknown's Battlegrounds. PUBG is developed by PUBG Corporation. It is portable with Xbox, iOS, PC and Android mobiles. More than 50 million online players will play this game, and it is launched in 2018. This is the most popular online game till now. This game has taken the internet with fire, and with the day passing it has many players as they expected. PUBG is actually based on Armor and H1Z1. This game can indulge up to 99 players at a time. The game is popular due to graphics and real situation where a map and a mission is assigned with more enemies hiding in the bushes. Players win the game if they survive the situation and kill the hidden enemies. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and comment, and tell me which is your favorite game in comment section. Bye.